Alright guys, FAQ number 5 is something every beginner misses all the time. As a matter of fact, they don't even know it existed. Now let me show you something very cool. But before then, let me talk about the FAQ number 5. Now FAQ number 5 is this. How can I duplicate a funnel in systeme.io? It's not that beginners ask this question. They don't even know you can even duplicate a funnel. And that is the cool stuff about systeme.io. You can literally duplicate a funnel. As a matter of fact, not only can you duplicate a funnel, you can actually get somebody to share a funnel with you and you will just have access to the entire funnel. All you need to do is to change some few stuff and you are good to go. Now, how do we duplicate our sales funnel in systeme.io? This is what you want to do. Let me take you back. Assuming you're coming from your dashboard. Let's say you are coming from your dashboard. Now, by the way, all this part here, everything here is the same. Wherever you are, this menu is the same. So don't worry, don't always try to go back to your main menu because it's still the same. So, but what you want to do here now is to go to website. Under website, that's if the name still remain website because they change it a lot. Now you go to sales funnel. If you want to duplicate a website, you go to blog. But in this case, I want to duplicate my sales funnel or a landing page. So I click sales funnel. When I'm in this place, and this is what I'm looking for, I like this sales funnel, it is converting. Now, this is what you need to do. You don't duplicate sales funnel because you just want to duplicate. There are reasons why you duplicate a sales funnel. Number one is that the funnel is converting a lot. You are making a lot of sales. The copy is good and people like it. They like the structure of the copy or the positioning and the color, right? The entire structure, everything that you need to look for in a landing page. The structure, user friendliness is good. So you want to duplicate that particular funnel because everything you need to create a fantastic funnel that is high, that converts with a very high rate is in that particular funnel that you want to duplicate it so that you don't go and start doing the same thing. Now, another reason why you might want to duplicate your sales funnel is there are things that you don't need to repeat, right? If you are creating a sales funnel, you know the structure, the videos, the pictures, the same kind of structure of your testimonials. So you don't need to repeat all that. So you just duplicate, even if you're going to change the entire copy. So let's try it now. To duplicate, you just come to your funnels. You have all the funnels you have here. You come to this place. You click on these three dots. You see these three dots here. You go under the three dots, you will see duplicate, right? See how easy it is and click duplicate. Now when you're duplicating, you can just leave it as copy like this or you just rename it. Let's say just put new converting sales funnel, right? CSV, converting sales funnel is CSF, right? I just click duplicate. If you don't know how much stress this whole stuff saved me the day I've discovered that you can literally duplicate with a click of a button. So that's how you duplicate on systeme.io. So let's go and look for FAQ number 5 that is getting people stuck and they are not able to use systeme.io. They find themselves using it for 2 years but no result. They are not maximizing the potential of this particular platform. So let's go and check out the number 6. Let's go and check out FAQ number 6.